Title: Atomic Habits by James Clear, Audiobook Summary. Introduction: Welcome to our audiobook summary of Atomic Habits by James Clear. In this best-selling self-help book, Clear presents a step-by-step guide on how to build good habits, break bad ones, and achieve long-lasting personal and professional success. In this summary, we'll cover the main concepts and actionable takeaways that make Atomic Habits a must-read. If you're interested in diving deeper into the full book, check out the link in the description below. The power of tiny habits. Atomic Habits emphasizes that small, incremental changes in our daily routines can lead to remarkable results over time. Clear refers to these small changes as atomic habits because, like atoms, they might seem insignificant individually but can have a powerful impact when combined. The key is to focus on consistency and gradual improvement rather than striving for a massive change all at once. The 4 laws of behavior change. To effectively build good habits and break bad ones, Clear introduces the 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious. To create a new habit, make the cues that trigger the habit as visible and noticeable as possible. You can also use the technique of habit stacking by linking the new habit to an existing one, so it becomes a natural part of your routine. Make it attractive. Increase the appeal of a new habit by focusing on the positive aspects and benefits it brings. You can also use temptation bundling, which means combining a habit you want to adopt with an activity you already enjoy. Make it easy. Remove barriers and simplify the process of adopting a new habit. The easier a habit is to start, the more likely you are to stick with it. You can utilize the 2-minute rule by breaking down your habits into tasks that take 2 minutes or less to complete. Make it satisfying. Reward yourself immediately after completing a new habit to create a positive feedback loop. This reinforces the behavior and makes it more likely that you'll repeat it in the future. Tracking and accountability. To ensure the success of your new habits, it's crucial to track your progress and hold yourself accountable. Clear suggests using habit trackers, journals, or even mobile apps to monitor your performance. Accountability partners or support groups can also be beneficial in maintaining your motivation and commitment. The importance of identity. One of the most powerful ideas in Atomic Habits is the concept of identity-based habits. Clear argues that to make lasting changes, you should focus on who you want to become rather than solely on the goals you want to achieve. By adopting the identity of the person you want to be, you're more likely to stick to habits that align with that identity. Conclusion? Atomic Habits by James Clear is an insightful guide on how to transform your life through the power of small, consistent changes. By implementing the 4 laws of behavior change, tracking your progress, and aligning your habits with your desired identity, you can create lasting improvements in your personal and professional life. If you found this summary helpful and want to learn more, be sure to check out the full book using the link in the description below.